Let me thank every one of you and assure you that because of this continuous support, we have every reason to be coming here from time to time. My supporters, I know that your ears are very eager to hear one thing. A lot of you are wondering. I know that story everywhere. I just want to say first, the reason why we took this decision is not a personal decision or to fulfill my personal ambition, but to see that our state succeeds. We cannot strive in an atmosphere of rancor. Development cannot come to our states. There is continuous dispute. And you are also aware that we are also standing because of the support of Mr. President. Let me take this. I re-edited this song for this day. The song goes like this. If you dey follow Fubara, no dey go corner. Fubara, they tell you something. If you dey follow Asuwa corner, Fubara, they tell you something. Fubara tell you something. They tell you something. Did you hear? If Fubara they tell you something. Now this is the second answer. If you they support Tinubu, no follow corner. You they hear what they talk? We they support Tinubu, we know they follow corner. That is the second answer. I'm going to take that one. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let it be very clear that the Renew Hope agenda is here with a vision that you can. We're out, we're ready to drive it to every door in every local government area of Rivers State. So let me thank every one of you for your support and assure you that we will continue. We will continue to deliver the dividends of democracy. I also want to use this medium because there is this inspiration that is going round. Let me say it here. You are aware that I went to see Mr. President a few days ago. We took it on yesterday. I would also want to add this. I personally do not have any disagreement or any anger anywhere with my members of the National Assembly, even that of the state here. Let me be very particular. The state members of the House of Assembly, I do not have any issue with them. I have made every effort. I believe that the leadership of the State Council that is led by Chief Federal Barbara can attest to this. I've made every effort to meet with them. But the arrangement wasn't for me to call them directly. It was for my leader, the minister, to arrange the meeting, which up till this hour, that meeting has not been fixed. So when people go about saying, I don't want to meet them, so thing, I don't want to attend to them, I don't want to meet their demand, that is pure lie. I don't have any reason to do that. I personally said whatever is their need, whatever is things that they need, I'm ready to meet it so that we can have peace in the state. So please, I'm saying it here, this is a live television. Whoever is going to tell you that I don't want to meet the member of us of the State Assembly is not true. I have met with our leaders and they said they were going to arrange a meeting. I do not want to go behind them so that it will look as if, because I go behind them, it will look as if I'm trying to divide the house. I'm a gentleman and a very principled person. And that is the reason why I am saying this here. I have suffered so much because of single story. A lot of times things have happened, nobody have heard my own side. So I just want to deviate a bit to say it here. Please, Mr. Speaker, leadership of the House and other members, I have made every effort to meet with you. That they are going to arrange a meeting. So whoever is saying that I refuse to meet you, or that is an arrangement that was presented to me and I said I'm not going to do it, it is not true. Please, we need to come together for the interests of this state. It's not about me, it's about this state. Let me finally thank all the good people of the wonderful, supportive people of our dear River State. We are assuring you, we're not going to take your support for granted. We'll continue to respect you, which was one of our first promise to everyone. While we respect you, we also not allow you to take our simplicity for granted. Let me say here that we are now out. We are now with our boot shoes. We are now with our hats. We are now with our hand gloves to ready to move into everywhere to preach without any limitation the gospel of Asuwaju in River State. So let me thank all of you for your support, especially today, and assure you that this is the beginning of the good things that are coming. Continue to be peaceful. I always preach it. Continue to be peaceful. We cannot develop any part of this state when there is crisis. Let us continue to take the path of peace. On this note, let me invite the Deputy Governor, our leaders, local government chairman and others to join me as we do this project to the glory of God.